Yo, CPT and the world, it's your boy Oasis, and welcome back to the Lounge. I have another dope-ass artist in the studio, and I'm going to tell you all about him today, or he's going to tell you about himself, so let's do that. So, KB, bro, let's get into the nitty-gritties. Like, how long have you been making music?
Look, I've been rapping on and off 5 years, but I never really had a place to record. So, but this year I started to make music and record, so I'll say from the beginning of this year, I've been making music, really making music.
So we can find you now?
Yes, you can find me.
Okay, yeah. Cool. And what got you into the hip-hop game, though? You've been making music, but what got you into hip-hop?
Look, I don't know, I just like music, and I just saw people just rapping and things like that, so I just thought, why not let me just try it, and then it just stick with me.
And
so,
it was always, you couldn't leave it.
I just couldn't leave it.
You heard the videos like, nigga, after bob. Yeah, I feel the exact same way. Don't lose that energy, bro. And then, who inspired you, man? Like, artist-wise, your sound?
Look, seeing that I'm from South Africa and I have to keep it local, I have to, the people that inspire me the most, I have to say, is Youngstacpt CPT and Nasty C.
Local is liquor, bro. And what's your take on the hip-hop game, though? Like the SA hip-hop game? Because you like them, but what do you think about how the SA game is going now?
To be honest with you, I think that there's a lot of artists in Cape Town that's way better than overseas artists, because like the music that they're making and the music that we actually making, you can actually hear what we're saying and the things that we're doing. So I think that we are leveling up.
So like, I had to take a song from America and your song, how would I differentiate what is the originality, or like what would be the difference?
Look, to be honest, what you'll hear from my music, you won't hear from other artists, because there's originality in my music, and I don't sound like anybody. I'm not trying to copy anybody. I don't mumble rap. I don't do none of those things that's in now. I just do me.
So you're a boss per straight. You just go in with your bars.
I just do my thing.
Chopping them. Now it's good, bro. It's good, bro. And the name, I needed to know, where does the name KB the rapper come from?
Okay, look, it's two things that I actually love. Okay, so with the music, when I'm rapping, I feel like a king. So that was the K coming, and when I love to jump, so that's where the B comes. That's for Beast, so it's King Beast the rapper. So for short, KB the rapper.
You heard it, KB the rapper. KB the rapper. We'll never forget that again. Right, nice. So if we do give you opportunity to perform, do you think you will slay a track?
I will kill the show.
Okay, now you'll kill it.
You heard it.
I'm waiting to see this. I've had artists on the show that killed it, but he said he's gonna kill it dead or raw. And I said that. I said it dead or raw. But anyway, bro, but before we go, like, where can we find if you have to look for you? SoundCloud, where?
You can find me on SoundCloud, Instagram at KB the Rapper. You can find me on Telegram. You can find me, I have a Facebook page, a fan page called KB the Rapper. And yeah.
You heard it. You find him everywhere. Just Google his name, probably you're gonna find him. KB the Rapper, and he pops up. A beast, nigga. Never sees a beast. But anyway, let him get his chance to perform and then let him kill it. Steezingwithoasis, and we out.
Yeah. Let's get it now. KB, the rapper. Any, many, money, more. Catch a spider on his toe. If you're there, brush your hair. Don't forget your underwear. Any, many, money, more. Catch a spider on his toe. If you're there, brush your hair. Don't forget your underwear. I don't hate the niggas know. Niggas know I got the flow. I just be running the shit. The bitches are hungry, they're all on my dick. Maserati with a new Bugatti. Shake my body cause I love the party. Tell the haters that I'm doing fine. Niggas are hating but I'm on my grind. Like skirt, let me backtrack. Sipping on the Henny but you know that. Hop up for the cheddar, I'm getting better. How make it rain, it's getting wetter. Go to the shop and you get it, shaking it loose and you're shaking your tita. Shaking it loose and you're shaking your tita. Shake it, shake it, shake it liquor. Any, many, mighty, mo. Catch a spider on his toe. If you're there, brush your hair. Don't forget your underwear. Any, many, mighty, mo. Catch a spider on his toe. If you're there, brush your hair. Don't forget your underwear. Bad, and I'm bougie. Kicking these niggas like Bruce Lee. You know my life is a movie. So young money like Tunchi. Look at your girls, it's a groupie. Old ladies wanna do me. Smoking that good, that's my bestie. I'm her boy, it's not a busy. It's a murder case, tell it to your face, I'll be in the zone. I don't want no bitches, I'll be killing niggas, I just want the throne. I be smoking nigga, never sober. Ride me fast like a roller coaster. Shout out to my nigga Drake, I got that controller. Any, mini, miny, mo. Get your spider on his toe. If you're there, brush your hair, don't forget your underwear. Any, mini, miny, mo. Get your spider on his toe. If you're there, brush your hair, don't forget your underwear.